Here's my first attempt at writing a program in order to solve a system of equations. So I'm sure there's some spaghetti code in there, but enjoy just the same. What I first did is had to run through the equations to look for the first negative coefficient. From that negative coefficient, I use that as the base in which to multiply or cross multiply against the other variable of the same coefficient of the same variable in the other equation. This way we assure that they cancel each other out. And the code runs through, as you can see, and also made exceptions or where if we have two equations of either all negative or all positive, so it solves just the same. In the meantime, let's give this code a shot. I apologize for speaking really fast, but I have no choice. 5, and let's make it 8, 9, and 12. And you see it solves right there for the system of equations. Here's your x, and there's your y. And again, it's in that format. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you guys in a bit. I'm sure you can do a better job. Otherwise, have fun. Catch you in a bit. Bye.